Question number 6. It is strange that in Santa City there are so many corner shops selling food items. After all, there are many supermarkets in the city which sell food items at the cheaper price. And many of the supermarkets are open 24 hours. So which one of the following, if true, would be of least help? He is saying which will be of the minimum help, which will be of least help in explaining the paradoxical observation. Paradox means different type of observations. One observation is that supermarkets are selling goods at cheaper price. Moreover, they are open all 24 hours. Still, the corner shop are many corner shops are selling food items. So it is a paradox in itself. Supermarket food is available at a cheaper price and they are open 24 hours. Local shop is still, there are so many local shops operating. Now here we can see option number A, the supermarkets are closely located at the outskirts of the city and require residents to use car or public transport to reach them. This is a strong argument because the supermarkets can be located far off and residents might find it very inconvenient to take a vehicle every time for having small food items, or due to their usage of public transport or due to usage of their own transport, it will inculcate a cost and a time. Cost and a time are both involved in it. So that is why they will prefer to eat from the local vendors. So this cannot be an answer because it is a strong statement. Second, corner shops are selling the local traditional food items. This is also a strong statement because the people might find more closely linked with their traditional food items. That is why they prefer to eat from the local markets rather than from the supermarkets. So this is again a strong statement. Option number D, the corner shops are mainly family owned business and they have been there for much longer than the supermarket and are perceived as an important feature of the community. Now here what is human social science will come into account. As such, the local vendors have been there for a long time. They know people in the vicinity or in the locality very well and the people gel with them, and it is not only about the food items which they buy, it is also about the sense of belongingness to the community or affection within the community which they have, and they gel with the people well. The customers and the shopkeepers, they gel well. Hence this is also a strong argument which is in favor of local vendors. Why there are so many local vendors? Because they can gel with the community, because they have long been a part of the same community. Now the weakest statement which appears is option number C. The main business of the local shop is newspaper distribution and vending of the food item represents a small part of their turnover. So that is why this is a weaker statement as compared to all three above statement which I have elaborated. A, B and D are strong statements, and this is a slightly uncorrelated statement as compared to other statements. So option number C is the answer.